Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
My name's Isla and I'm from New Zealand. I live in Spain. How about you?
Oh, wow, that's great. Okay, so I am from India
Yeah.
and belong to the state named Jammu and Kashmir.
Kashmir.
Yes,
Okay. And what's your name, sorry?
Sahiba.
Sahiba. Okay. Sahiba
Yes,
from Kashmir, India.
yes.
Nice to meet you, Sahiba. And what were you wanting today? Do you want to do some general conversation practice or anything specific?
Yes, conversation.
Perfect. Okay, so
Yeah.
tell me, Sahiba, how long have you been learning English for?
Uh, actually, I have been using Cambly for a month,
Okay.
and I speak English for a month, and yes, so yes, I
Ah, okay, very nice. And what do you do? Are you studying? Are you working?
yes, I am student. I am in 12th grade.
In 12th grade. Okay. Is that your last year?
Yes,
Oh, okay. And what will you do next year?
I will go to the college
Yeah, what will you study at the college?
in religious study.
Religious study. Okay, very interesting.
Yeah. So
And do you learn English at your school as well?
yes, but
Okay.
not speak, not speak.
Okay. So you grammar. You don't get to practice conversation.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I learn all things on the Cambly.
Okay. All of your conversation points.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Yes, I learned a lot of grammar and all things.
okay. Very
Yes,
good. And tell
yes.
me
So,
about.
yes,
I was going to ask you. Tell me about where you live, Kashmir. Is that
yes.
in by the mountains?
Yeah, a lot of mountains where I am living right now. There are a lot of mountains, hilly areas.
Yeah. Have you always lived there?
Yeah.
Okay. I have visited India one time. I was
Oh,
in Himachal Pradesh.
sorry?
Himachal Pradesh.
Yes, yes, Himachal Pradesh.
Yes, sorry, my pronunciation is very bad.
Okay, no problem. Used it.
Yeah, but it's also very beautiful. But I would love to visit Kashmir.
Oh, so how long in
How
Kashmir? In Himachal Pradesh?
I was there just for 2 weeks. I was there
Two
to do
weeks.
a sports event, a race in the mountains.
Okay, so you came with your family?
No, I came with some friends. We came with
Okay.
our mountain bikes to do a race.
Oh,
And we finished in a town called Shimla.
Shimla. Yes.
Shimla, yes. Have you visited?
No.
No, okay.
Yeah. So
I
what do you do?
I teach English in a high school in Spain.
Wow.
Yeah, so I
What
have been
subject
here.
do you teach?
Was that sorry?
What subject do you teach in school, in high
Ah,
school?
I teach English. I teach English to the Spanish students,
Uh-huh.
and I also do some classes with them in geography,
Mm-hmm.
and I have some classes with in physical education.
Oh, you're a
And
sport teacher?
yes, I do sports and English.
Oh,
Yeah, it's lots of fun. I love it here. And
oh, great.
tell me about you, Sahiba. What subjects do you like in school?
In school, I like English, IT, and Urdu.
Oh, okay. So IT is where you do everything on the computers.
Sorry?
IT, you do everything on the computers.
Yeah.
Yeah, and do you learn how to use like Microsoft Excel and things like that?
Yes, Microsoft Excel. Yes.
Ah, okay, very
And
nice.
right now I'm in 12th grade, so I learn HTML language.
Ah, okay, wow.
Yes.
I hate that stuff. I'm very bad with Microsoft Excel. It's like
Oh,
it's too tricky. And
okay.
what do you like doing when you're not at school?
Sorry, speak again.
What do you like to do when you're not at school in your free time?
You are asking about my
What
hobbies?
Yeah, your hobbies. Yeah, what are your
Okay.
hobbies? What do you like to do?
I like reading, and I like mm, in school. Yeah,
Uh,
I like reading, and I spend my time in my friends with my friends.
Good, with your friends. Nice. Okay.
Yes.
Do you like do you read first of all tell me in Kashmir, what is the language of the region? Is it Hindi
Yes, Hindi and Urdu.
and Urdu? Okay. Do you read books in Hindi, or do you ever read books in English?
English books. Mostly I read English books.
Ah, that's really cool. What books have you read in English?
Uh, Think and Grow Rich.
Okay.
Yes. Subconscious Mind,
Ah, very good.
and yes, these types of
That's
books.
awesome. I think reading books in a new language is or a second language is such a good way to learn it.
Yeah.
I am learning Spanish. I live here in Spain and I am learning to speak Spanish, and
Right now?
I like to read Spanish books to help with me.
Okay.
It helps with your grammar and your vocabulary. Yeah.
Mm,
So
vocabulary. Yes, good. Maybe.
yeah. So like, when you're reading and you see a new word you haven't seen before, so you have to look it up. So it helps with your vocabulary. You know what I mean?
Sorry, speak again. I don't understand.
Okay, I'm saying when you read a book in
Yes.
English and you see a new word that you
Yes.
haven't seen before, and you learn what it means.
Yes. Actually, when I read any book, so some words I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't know pronunciation, and I I do underline, and then after then uh, I I asked my brother with my brother.
Ah,
Yes,
okay, nice. Is your brother older or younger?
older.
Older, and he speaks English, does he?
Yes.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two older brothers and one older sister.
And one older sister. Okay, so you are three, four.
Jump.
Is there six in your family?
Yes.
Okay, nice. And Sahiba, are you on school holidays right now?
Yes, right now holidays. It's summer vacation.
Okay. Is it pretty hot there?
Yes.
How hot?
Uh, right now here 29 degrees Celsius.
29. Okay, pretty hot. It's pretty
Yeah.
hot in Spain as well. Woof. Okay, nice. And what will you do for summer holidays?
Uh, just English.
Oh,
I
okay,
learn English.
you're gonna
Yes.
practice your English.
Yes.
Okay, will you spend time with your friends and do some relaxing as well?
Yeah. In school time, but
And school,
right now I am in my home,
yeah.
so I don't meet with my friends.
Okay. Wow, it was really nice to meet you today, Sahiba. Our time is almost up.
You
Okay,
too.
I hope you enjoy the rest of your holidays and keep
Yeah.
up the reading.
Okay, take care. Bye bye. Have a good
Okay, enjoy
day.
your evening.
Yes.